Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lilia. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Mula po sa amin dito, Tia, kami po ay palugod na bumabati ng isang maligayang karawan. Mula po sa amin, si Beth po ay pumasok, kapapasok lang ngayon. At yun po, sana magkaroon kayo ng maligayang karawan. Sige po, bye! Bye!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po! Kagigising lang para bumati sa inyo ng maligayang karawan. Woo!
Follow-up video to kasi kahapon pumasok na pala si Beth ng pagpunta namin dito ng mga bata.
Happy birthday po! Salamat po, Tia, sa mga sakripisyo nyo para sa mga to. Salamat!
Thank you, Tia. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ingat lagi kayo dyan. Good health. God bless.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mommy! Ingat lagi! Love you! Bye-bye! Like you, Saril!
Sister, I miss you very much. Love you, love you. Love you very many, many, many. Oh, thank you, thank you.
Lilia, happy 75 birthday!
Good health.
Grow up, enjoy,
Take care.
take care. See you later. Bye.
Ingat
lagi. Ingat.
Lang.
Love you.
Greetings from Bora.
Bora.
Tia Lilia, happy 75th birthday. More birthdays to come and good health. Sana maging masaya ang inyong kaarawangan ngayong araw na ito. From Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We love you.
Hi, Tita Lilia. Kasi 75 ka na pala. Hindi naman halata. Parang 65 lang. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko sa inyo good health. At sana'y umaba pa ang dumami pa ang iyong kaarawan para makasama pa namin kayo, ng iyong mga pamangkin at mga apo. God bless you always. Good health at sana laging malakas ang iyong pangangatawan. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Yun lang po at happy birthday sa inyo.
Happy
We
birthday.
love you.
We love you.
Hi sister, sayang naman, hindi ako makarating dyan sa birthday mo. Anyway, happy 75th birthday. You are truly blessed to have reached this remarkable milestone in life. I wish you many, many more years of good health, joy, and serenity. I am so grateful to God for giving me an incredible sister, best friend, my second mom like you. May God blessings be upon you always. Happy birthday from all of us, from Angel, from AJ, AC, and especially from Mason. We love you, sister. Thank you for everything. Enjoy your special day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Lilia. Have a very, very happy birthday. And hope many more birthdays to come.